Welcome to another Mendeley Minute. In this episode, we'll show you how to use search features in Mendeley Desktop and Web. Mendeley Desktop turns your library of PDFs into a fully searchable database. Simply select a folder or group to search, and type your search terms into the search box located in the upper right-hand corner of the application. Mendeley searches across the full text of your library as you type. Clicking on a search result opens up that document. Now you can search the document itself and step through each occurrence of that term by hitting Enter or clicking the arrows on the screen. Back on the main interface, let's clear out of our previous search and take a look at some really useful hidden features that can improve your results. You can easily find all papers tagged with a specific tag by entering the word tag, then colon, then the tag you are seeking in the search box. Make sure not to use spaces. Note that I have fewer results now than before because this search excludes papers whose full text contains the search term, but aren't specifically tagged with my custom tag. The abstract operator lets you do the same, searching only abstracts. Note that there are now even fewer results. Many of the fields in the Details view can be searched in the same way, including authors, titles, publication names, year, and notes. You can search your groups for papers and references in the same way. Just click on the group you want to search, then on the Documents tab, and enter the search terms just like before. Note that this paper is in both my personal library and the selected group as different copies. On this copy, my collaborators have made annotations. You can search your library on the web as well. Click on the My Library tab and enter your search terms in the search field located in the upper right-hand corner of the tab. On the web, you can also search across Mendeley's entire database, representing the world's largest open catalog of research. Simply enter a search term in the larger search field located directly above and select Papers, Groups, or People from the drop-down menu. On the Results page, click on Edit Advanced Search Options, and we give you a variety of options to focus your search, such as title, authors, publication type, and discipline. Now select the paper you are interested in, and you will be brought to the article's summary page. You can add the reference to your library by clicking the green button here, and you can check for the full text from a variety of sources here. You can also see PDF previews where available and scroll down to see related articles and readership statistics.